On this video, I'm going to give you the top 5 selling clip arts for 2025 during Christmas, and you'll be surprised on one or two of these actually. Now, I'm going to go through these step by step and explain exactly why they sold so well, so stay right to the end. Now, the first one that I've got on my list is this one. Now, it's a bestseller. You can see 20 plus in a basket, and it is an actually very simple clip art. And these are the numbers, right? These are number clip arts and letter clip arts. Very simple with Santa hats in that sort of Santa flavor, Christmas alphabets, if you like. Now, people tend to like to buy these because they use them for many uses. This is where selling clip arts that can be used for different things really does help push those sales. So in this case, you can imagine that these could be used for sweatshirts, maybe putting together somebody's name. It could be used for invitation cards. It could be used for tumblers, mug wraps, various things. It has many use cases. Now, this bundle of simple numbers and letters has made $1,750 per month. And actually, it's only a 2-month-old listing. Now, time of doing this video, we're right coming up to the end of December, and this is only come up 2 months ago, which is fantastic, right? Now remember, guys, I do use Everbeam, my go-to research SEO tool, to give me all the data, all the stats. Very important if you want to find out what's actually selling out there, so to better inform you of the kind of things that you need to design for. So do check out the link below so that you can get free access. Now, this numbers and letters, anything that is custom tends to do better on Etsy. Now, this is a typical example of this, and obviously this is geared purely for Christmas. Now, definitely keep this in mind for other times of the year, like Halloween, like Easter, like Valentine's Day, because if something works for one particular time of year and there's a desire for these kind of alphabet letters, then it would definitely work for other times of the year. So definitely think about this for the future. Okay, the next one on my list as one of the top 5 selling clip arts is this bundle here. Now, this is a bestseller, 20 plus in views, 2-month old again. Again, it did not get listed up long ago, right? It's actually making $1,931, right? 201 monthly sales. It's actually doing very, very well at the moment. It's on a sale. And let me explain why this is selling so well. Firstly, it is quite unique. Now, one thing you'll notice is if a bundle stands out amongst the crowd, then it tends to do well. Yes, it is in this watercolor style, which people like. Yes, it is in that vintage flavor. But one thing it does do, it is slightly different to the rest, or different kind of bundles that sell in the similar things. So always try to have your design slightly different. And this is slightly different, right? It also has this sort of tartan flavor pattern, which runs through all of the kind of elements that they're selling, which again is quite good, quite popular. They also have ribbons or coquette bow ties, again a trend that people do love. So they've made sure that they've weaved this in within the elements, which is very clever, very smart. But they also have an array and a good bundle of different elements, and some elements that other sellers wouldn't have. So they've got 86 PNGs, from rocking horse to things like shop front, door front, presents, boxes, in this kind of vintage flavor. They've also got elements that people love, like the gnomes, teddy bears, So this plays a fantastic role. If you have a good collection, different varied elements of, say, 86, which is quite a big bundle anyway, and then you incorporate within that various different sort of styles and patterns, or should I say, keeping a very popular pattern style, the tartan style, running through it, and also having 2 or 3 colors max. So you've got the red, green, and sort of beige, brown tones, which are there. Very cozy, especially for Christmas time. So it has that cozy feel. The other thing that really pushes it is the title and the pricing. So the title, you can see it explains and it describes what this design is, which I keep saying, describe what it is so that the Etsy algorithm can push it for the people that are looking for watercolor Christmas clip arts, but at the same time suggest in the title some things, use cases that it can be used for. So in this case, the sellers wrote down scrapbooking, which is good, so that people know what they could use it for. And again, the Etsy algorithm understands this. So this is a very good seller, very interesting listing. Now, always think about, although you may be in a niche that people are looking for, to differentiate yourself from everybody else, you have to be slightly different. And this is a good case of this. Okay, the third one on my list is actually kind of similar to the last one, but different. So it's a different style. It's watercolor, yes, but more rustic watercolor style, I would say. Not as detailed, I would say. But again, has a really good collection. Not as big either, 47 illustrations, but they are very different elements, from house to train to polar bear. Very different elements. They do maintain having 2 or 3 colors. So you've got the red, the green, and the kind of brownish tones, which gives that cozy flavor. It's a bestseller, but it's definitely this kind of watercolor style that people do like. Again, I've just said these are 2 different watercolor styles. The seller, again, has managed to also include how you could use it. So they've included Christmas decor, holiday clip art, and also the word nutcracker, which also helps to elevate the listing itself. Now, this listing is making $2,892, and it's only a 2-month-old listing. Absolutely phenomenal, guys. And again, it's slightly different to the norm. If you look at this listing, you'll see that it doesn't look like other listings that are being sold in the same niche. It is slightly different. The style is slightly different, and it is able to stand out. And having so many different interesting elements within the bundle also definitely helps it. So these are very affordable too, good pricing, lots of things to help push this. And this is what you have to look out for, guys. Okay, so let's go to the fourth one. Okay, guys, here's the fourth one. Bundle of 28 PNGs. Now, they're really nice, doing very, very well. In fact, doing fantastically well, making approximately, let's have a look, $3,000, $3,096. It's a 2-month-old listing, and it's actually on a sale right now. It's a bestseller, selling fantastically well right now. And let me explain why it's doing so well. Now, firstly, it's in this whimsical style. All right, this whimsical style, this kind of design style is actually trending very well right now and working fantastically well for many Christmas clip art sellers. The combination of Santa and reindeer also seems to be a keyword that people are searching for, and does have reasonably low competition and does work very well. So there is this humorous part, this whimsical side to it, and this combination of Santa and reindeer, which is massively pushing design style. And like I said, this design style is working really well right now. So they've definitely done a fantastic job on this and have ridden the trend really well in this style of designing. So yeah, I really do like this. And this is what I'm saying, guys. Sometimes something that is, a style that is working, trending really well, you will see that there'll be really good sales from it, especially if you include the right elements. Okay, let's go to the fifth one. Okay, this is the fifth one. Now, again, it seems to be this kind of Christmas alphabet, right? People love Christmas alphabets. They use it for many different use cases. Here's an example on a top. You can see they put together somebody's name in that sort of Christmas flavor, Christmas clip art style, this doodle style, should I say. Again, doodle is a very, very desirable style. If you go type in on the Etsy platform, doodle alphabets, you'll see a lot of these, especially when you look through Everbee, that do very well. So this is another typical example that is one of the top listings in the Christmas season, making $3,235. Now, in fact, this is a 27-month-old listing, which shows that this is an actually ageless style. It's been running for over 2 years and it's selling. Okay, so this tells you that the style is something that can work year on year. And the reason is because it isn't really a trending thing that they're using. It's something that you can imagine would sell. The doodle alphabet style is something that can sell year on year and doesn't really rely on trends per se. And it's something that, again, is that custom personalized style. And again, the custom and personalization always tends to do a little bit better because you can actually individualize it. This is doing fantastically well again, and it probably will do really well next time Christmas comes over again. Anyway, guys, those are my 5 top clip arts for Christmas. Do check out my masterclass. If you're interested in selling clip arts profitably, you'll see a free masterclass below. But anyway, guys, if you did like the video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.